Culture Kings Part 2, baby, we back.
Couple hundreds all about my pistol. Keep the 40 by my side, it's a kiss, look.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Run It Up. My name is Julian, and you already know what you're here for, man. We got another dope unboxing for y'all today. Another dope Culture Kings haul. So Culture Kings is based out of Australia. I heard they're currently in the works of getting some stores out here in the US, but for now they're based out in Australia. So the bulk of their business is done online. They do worldwide shipping, so wherever you are, you can get a pack from them basically. So I live on the East Coast here in the United States. Shipping takes usually about a week and a half, 2 weeks at the most is what I've seen. But this, like every other package that I've gotten, for the most part has been a week and a half. This is probably the biggest haul that I've gotten from them so far, so I'm definitely excited to see the items that I did pick up, bro. We got some dope summer wear, so we gonna see what they're hitting for. Hopefully we got some quality garments, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's get into it, man. You see it, bro. We got a big box, bro. We got a big box, so lots of good stuff in here. I already figured out how to attack this and probably gonna go up before, because how else am I going to do it? Alright, man, I'm not gonna go in any particular order. I'm just gonna start pulling the stuff out of the box, and we'll see what we got. So like I said, all these items that I ordered were pretty much for the summertime. I'm gonna be going on a couple trips, so definitely needed to re-up on some gear. But let's see what we got. So first things first, we got a couple accessories here. So I went and caught one of these fedora joints, man. I still don't know how I feel about this, but Culture Kings was having a pretty big sale on the website. I think it was for like Memorial Day. I don't know what it was for. I don't know if they were celebrating Memorial Day, but it might have been Labor Day. It was something, bro. But they were having a sale, so I caught a few things on a pretty decent price. This fedora being one of them. Off the bat, one thing I'm not liking about it is the brim. It's a little flimsy. The brand is en.es. I don't know, it must be some Australian stuff, but I don't know, man. We'll see. I think that hat was like $11 on clearance, so I mean, nothing crazy. Again, just one of those things, kind of an experimental cop. Every time I cop, I usually get an experimental piece, something different, bro. You gotta try something different, see if it works, see if it's hitting, you know what I mean? All right, so next we got a strap back hat I got from here. So I have checked out some other Culture King reviews. One thing that I do like is that they send their hats in a box. They give you a cool little Culture King box, you know what I mean? So the hat doesn't get squashed in transit. It gets here in its right form. So that's definitely a dope little customer service piece, I would say. I think they sent a free mask, I guess. Free mask. But yeah, just got a plain little strap back here. It says lit on the front. It's pretty lit, I'm not gonna lie. It's a dope little, like, it's a weird brown. I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a khaki, light brown mix. I actually have a pair of sweats that is the exact same color, I think, so this hat might come in handy. But it's pretty neutral, man. I like neutral colored hats that you can throw on with, you know, almost anything, and this is definitely one of those. This definitely falls in that category, bro. So this definitely a good cop. I want to say it was like $12 as well. It was pretty cheap. Also on sale, bro. Big sale, big sale. I was there. I wasn't there, but I was on the website, you know what I mean? Alright, so next, real simple, got a little pair of socks right here in like a forest green colorway. I think these were like $2 or something like that, but I needed this exact this exact color pair of socks, so went ahead and pulled the trigger on that. Found it at a good price, so can't be mad at it, man. Can't be mad. Moving on, like I said, yo, we got at the ticket, huh? We got mad stuff in here, bro. Like, dang. All right, so next I got a black and white striped tee. So this brand is Well Made Essentials, or Well Made, which is one of the things that kind of drew me to it, because let's see if it's actually well made. And like I said, everything I caught was pretty much on sale, so all these tees were like $15 or around that ballpark. But this is your standard, just nice black and white t-shirt. Can stand on its own, can make a great layering piece. Throw it under, you know, a denim jacket or any kind of jacket, really. Would be a nice little pop. And it is pretty well made, I'm not gonna hold you, man. Like, it's a heavyweight, it's a sturdy t-shirt, definitely not no boo, you know what I'm saying? Definitely a good cop, especially for the price point. I actually have another t-shirt very similar to this, but it's a little old. I've had it for a couple of years now, so definitely needed something of that variety. So moving on, I got some more of these vintage reprint tees. So if you haven't seen my first Culture Kings video, that's actually my first, my most popular video to date. The main draw of that video was the vintage reprint tees. That was the main focus of that video. And Culture Kings has made, they've created a pretty big following based on these tees, man. These are great quality t-shirts, especially by the company Goat Crew. So I mean, this is probably like at least 6 or 7 t-shirt from this brand. So the quality is definitely there. The prints are dope, and I mean, the details are just amazing. So this tee I got the mask tee, Jim Carrey. This is pretty fire, man. This is pretty fire. This just brings back good memories, good vibes, some childhood vibes, man. At the top, you see, it says The Mask going down the side right there, and then at the bottom it says, "Somebody stop me."
Stop me.
You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all might be too young to know, but the older heads will know. The older heads will know. This is definitely a dope t-shirt, man. I already got a fit in mind for this one. This is definitely going to be a fire piece, so really happy I caught this one, man. Like I said, these Culture Kings, the vintage reprints, bro, they hit. I'm telling you. You know what I mean? Julian said it. Next, we got another one, man. We got another one. Let me crack it. This one is in like a off-white kind of nudish color. Also pretty fire, vintage vibes. And this one is a Vice City tee. This one goes crazy, man. GTA vibes. Old school GTA vibes, Vice City on that off-white heavyweight t-shirt. Definitely gonna be a dope t-shirt for the summertime. I already have some kicks in mind that I'm gonna throw on with these. Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram if you don't, because fits are coming, bro. Fit pics are coming. I be putting fits on, but I never be taking pics, so this summer I'm gonna make it a point to take some pictures and get some quality flickies on the gram. So make sure you follow me, because you see the material, man. Like, we got some gear, and I'm gonna be putting that ish on. Let me back it up so you can see that graphic a little better, man. But yeah, that's that. All right, so this tee is actually from that same brand, Well Made Essentials. This is also like a vintage wash t-shirt, but this one is just plain. It's a plain black tee, just kind of washed, which is dope, because I like to wear a lot of black, man. I rock black on black all the time, so it's nice to find some different blacks to switch up in rotation, man. So you gotta find some spice with your black, feel me? So this one has some nice wash detailing on here. It's pretty dope, pretty dope. We'll definitely get a lot of use out of this. Like I said, the brand is named Well Made, and it is pretty well made, I'm not gonna lie. The bottom is like a kind of like that unfinished hem kind of style. This is pretty dope, man. Like I said, this is another piece that can kind of stand on its own or kind of throw under another piece, but it's a dope switch up just from your normal black t-shirt, man. Like, you gotta find different ways to spice it up. You can continue to just rock what you like, but you can always spice it up a little. This is I actually got another plain t-shirt. This one isn't like a vintage wash or anything like that. It's just a plain t-shirt. It's in like a nude, just kind of tan color. Dope tee. Was for the low lows why I copped it. That last one I got, that black t-shirt, I think that was also like 10, 12 bucks, somewhere in that realm. All these t-shirts, except for the Go Crew ones, were all like $12, somewhere around that. So all great deals, man. Like I said, they were having a sale, so I was able to cop some dope items for the low low. Gotta shop the sales, bro. Gotta shop the sales. That's how you end up looking fly without dropping a bag. Because I think I spent about $220 on this whole box, and I mean, once you see I get to the end of it, like, it's a lot of stuff that I got for that price point. So definitely a good deal. But this is like an oversized kind of boxy tee. Brand is just it's just a Pro Club tee, heavyweight. It's kind of like the long short sleeve, so it does go to the elbow at least. Dope tee, man. I mean, self-explanatory, just your plain nude colored tee. Will definitely get a lot of use. You can rock that with pretty much anything, so it was definitely a good cop. And then we got one more t-shirt, man. This one might be my favorite tee out of this cop. It's gonna be between this one or the that Vice City tee. But this is also from Go Crew. It's another one of the vintage reprints. And this one also brings me back to early 2000s, the childhood days. Yes, sir, man. You got that Killer Cam, that Cameron tee. This is that iconic, bro. This is one of the most iconic rap pictures. Not even rap pictures, just cultural pictures of all time, bro. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you know what I mean? I don't know what to tell you, bro. But we have the infamous Cameron pic where he's rocking the all pink, holding the pink flip phone, you know what I mean? Just so cold, man. Just so cold. When I saw they did this vintage style tee, I knew I had to cop. Dope graffiti lettering over it and under it. Large graphic just over the whole front. And then you got your vintage hits all throughout the shirt, man. Definitely a dope cop. Definitely happy I copped this one right here. This one was, I believe, $19. All the Go Crews were $19. That's what I caught them on sale for. That's just what they were going for. I think that Vice City one is back up to normal prices, like $40 right now. So gotta catch the sales, bro. I'm telling you, you gotta catch the sales. And then I'll save that one for last. So next, I got a nice little collared tee. I'm not a collared tee. What am I saying? I got a collared shirt, just kind of like a little summer shirt, beach shirt, whatever you want to call it. For the summertime, short sleeve collared shirt with like wide collar, and this, it didn't look as loud. I'm not gonna lie, this didn't look as loud online, but it's a loud t-shirt, man. It's got dragon. I keep saying t-shirt. I'm drunk. It's got dragons and I don't even know. Like, this is pretty wild, bro. But it's kind of cool. I'm digging it. I'm not gonna lie. This is definitely something you would rock in the summertime. Maybe even on vacation, whatever it is. It's a nice light shirt, nice and flowy. That's what I like about it. Great for the summer. Just throw it on. Nothing crazy. Something slight. Yeah, man. I mean, might be kind of a little bit hard to style, but you just gotta go for it, I guess. That's what's gonna end up happening with this. So, and that was, I think, I want to say like $20. Alright, so last two items I got. So basically they're a set, so they go together. Bought them separately, but they go together. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I'm looking at it through the plastic. It's looking a little different than they were looking online. I'm not gonna hold you, but let's pull them out. Let's take a look, man. So I got another kind of one of those shirts, but it has a matching pair of shorts as well. Let's take a look at the shorts first, actually. So online, it looked like a light kind of brown mixed with like a baby blue. So they are tie-dye. And the thing with buying tie-dye, especially online, is that you don't know what you're really gonna get. Because with tie-dye, everyone comes out different. Like, there's no way to possibly tie-dye something the exact same way every single time. So I got these shorts right here. They're not that bad, man. They're not that bad, actually. They look a little different behind the plastic, but they kind of have like a burgundy tint to them, but they do have those like baby blue hits in there. They're pretty dope. Pretty dope. Metal tips on the ends of the drawstrings, and like I said, it was a part of a set, so it does have a matching short sleeve collared shirt that goes with it. Now I'm not sure if I'll actually wear them together or not. Maybe actually, because the tie-dye gives it a kind of dope little effect. This will actually be kind of a dope vacation fit. Might bring this out in Jamaica. Going to Jamaica next month, so might have to pop out in this guy one time. So you might see this on the Instagram, bro. Go ahead and follow me. You might see this one. But looking at it, this is a lot better than I thought when I first looked at it. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was gonna be disappointed looking at it in the plastic, but this is actually pretty clean, man. I'll put up a picture over here too, so y'all can see what I saw online when I was shopping. But overall, together, I think they both came out. It was like $60 together for the whole set. So not too bad, especially for a little two-piece, you know what I mean, ensemble. But overall, man, another great haul from Culture Kings, man. No disappointments. Like, literally nothing disappointed me, actually, besides that fedora was kind of I mean, it was a little iffy, but again, it was like $11, so I can't even be too mad about that. It'll be a good little piece just to have in the closet. You never know. One day, the day might come, bro. The day might come, and it's better to, you know what I'm saying, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, you know what I'm saying? So it's better to have those things in your closet now. That way, you know what I'm saying, when the occasion comes, you already ready. You just, you know what I'm saying, you pop it on, you put that on, and then you out the door, you ready to go. You don't have to go looking for it. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. Let me know what y'all think of my pickups. Let me know if y'all seen my first Culture Kings video. If y'all have copped since then, let me know what you cop, how y'all like it, especially those Goat Crew tees, man. Let me know what y'all think about those. But like I said, subscribe to the channel, drop a like, leave a comment. Giveaway coming at 500 subs. We're giving away something dope, so let's make it happen, baby. Until next time. Peace.